Welcome to Mind Matrix DX, where insight meets transformation. Here we dive deep into the science of success, human psychology, daily habits, and mental mastery. Join the movement. Explore mind-expanding content, real tools, and powerful ideas to reprogram your thinking. Follow Mind Matrix DX today and step into the mindset of your future. What if I told you that the tiny choices you make today are shaping your entire future, whether you notice or not? It's wild, right? But it's true. Welcome to The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy, a powerful blueprint for success built on the magic of small, consistent actions. Here's the core principle. Success doesn't come from giant leaps or dramatic changes. It comes from the little decisions you make every single day. Think about it. Choosing water instead of soda at lunch, reading just 10 pages a night, saving $5 instead of spending it on yet another latte. Tiny, almost invisible choices, but when you add them up over weeks and months, they create radical results. Small smart choices plus consistency plus time equals transformation. Every single choice you make is like a vote for your future self. Each one either pulls you a step closer to your goals or nudges you further away. One donut won't ruin your health, but one donut every day for a year? Now that's a different story. You make your choices, and then your choices make you. This is where habits come in. The compound effect is all about building the right habits and letting momentum do the heavy lifting. Darren Hardy says, start small, track everything, build momentum. It's like a train leaving the station. At first it's slow, almost painfully slow, but once it gets rolling, nothing can stop it. That's your life, powered by the habits you choose today. Want to change your life? Track your behavior, your money, your meals, your time. It's not glamorous, it's not sexy, but it's powerful. Because what gets measured, gets improved. If you start tracking those tiny actions, you'll see where your time and energy really go. And you'll start making better choices, almost automatically. Now here's the trap. We all want quick fixes, instant results. But the compound effect reminds us, overnight success is a myth. The real magic lies in those boring daily disciplines. You might not see a difference tomorrow or even next week, but stay consistent, and in 6 months you won't even recognize your own life. So, whether it's fitness, finances, relationships, or your mindset, the compound effect is real, and it's working right now, for you or against you. The shift? Start small, stay consistent, let time do its thing, and watch your results multiply. Remember, success is earned in the small moments. If you want more practical book summaries and life-changing tips, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you haven't read The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy yet, trust me, it's worth your time. Start today, and future you will thank you.